Another day. Another video. This is why you are not making any money. Make sure you subscribe the channel before we start. The ultimate goal for anyone in a business is to make money. But why some of you succeed, while the others fail to have a stable income or in some cases don't make any money? The reason is you don't stay consistent and run behind everything shines thinking it's gold for you. You just saw someone make $4,000 from coaching. The next thing, you want to shift to coaching. You just saw someone make $2,000 selling an ebook. The next thing you want to sell ebooks too. You just saw some YouTuber saying he made $50K. The next morning you want to be a YouTuber too. Well, they also said they have been doing this for the last 5 years and consistency is what got them at this point. Your success depends on consistency and you keeping your focus into your own journey. Chasing others around will make you miss your own success. Pick one thing and nail it. Make more money after this. To make money it takes hard work, dedication and consistency. The first thing that you have to understand is everything that shines isn't gold. Stop comparing yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different, everyone's life is different, your environment is different. Here I live in Ethiopia and we don't even have half of the opportunities and resources the rest of the world has. Move at your own pace, you will get there if you are willing to put in the work. Comparison will kill you and your business. Stop running behind everything, pick one thing that you are good at and nail it. A wisdom from my grandma: if you are a soldier, retire a general. If you are a priest, retire as a pope. If you are a politician, retire as a president. Master your craft. If you make $16 an hour, those Dior ain't $1,200, it's 75 hours. Tuition ain't $50K, it's 3,125 hours. That flight to Miami ain't $500, it's 31 hours. Your rent ain't $1,500, it's 93 hours. Those Cartier frames ain't $2,000, it's 125 hours. The secret is to learn how to make your money work for you. I am here to help you with it. Check out the link in the description below to learn how I built a profitable online business and achieved freedom. If you are about changing your life, then you must subscribe this channel. Hit the like button and share if this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.